Okay, Thiago has purchased a new diesel car on 6 May 2020, which is used for the business and private purpose during the tax year 2024. The car had a list price of 28,000 and CO2 emission of 157 gram per kilometer. The car met the RDE2 standard, and what is the car benefit? So in case of the car benefit calculation, I must say you guys know the formula and it will be provided to you in the exam, so don't need to worry about. We will take list price multiplied by CO2 percentage, right? So, and while taking the list price, just take the full value without any discount. So in our case, list price is, if we talk about the list price, um, 28,000, and for CO2 emission we will look for the percentage. In our case, CO2 emission percentage is one, we will first look for the how much emission is uh, is a car emitted per kilometer. In our case it's 157 gram per kilometer. So first of all, we have to round it. It means it's more than 55 gram, right? So in that case, first of all, we have to round down below this gram, and which will be 155. And so first of all, up to 55 is 60 percentage. Let me do here. So up to 55 gram per kilometer is 16 percentage, right? And above, as the question told us, it's 157 gram, right? So for 157 gram, we will first round down to bring it 155, then deduct 55, then divide it by 5. And we will get 155 minus 55 divided by 5. It will be 20. Adding these two, it will be 36 percentage, right? So car benefit will be, if I will do this here, but remember one thing, it won't exceed 37%. Okay, if you got, in case of 36 you have got, suppose you got 40, in that case you are limited to suppose to take a 37 percentage. You can't take 40, right? So car benefit, what I did, oh, it was percentage. No, just wait. Okay, 0.36. And this car was given on 6th May. So one month after the start of the tax year. So it means we have to proportion the benefit. So it will be 9240. Okay, so all right. Next question. What is the Injo car benefit for tax year 23-24? Injo is provided with an electric car of CO2 emission on with zero CO2 emission on 5 April, and which he used 60% for the business and 40% for the private use. All right, and injury employer also allowed him to charge the car at office, and the car had list price of 45,000, and but only the cost to his employer 42,000 due to purchasing car for the other employee at the same time. So as I told earlier, we won't take the discounted price. We will simply took the full price. Okay, so list price will be here 45,000, not 42,000. And for CO2 percentage we need to do calculation, and as the car is 0 percentage, right? So you will be provided in the table for the 0% car. I think just let me look at the table. For 0% car, I think it's 2%. Zero CO2 emission car. Yeah, the percentage for the electric car with a zero CO2 emission is 2%. So here we will take the 2%. CO2 percentage is 2%, and the car benefit will be multiplying these two and proportion for the year in which it is provided. So we are calculating for the year 23 and 24, right? So I guess it was available for the whole year. We don't need to apportion, so 900. Right. Okay. So next question: what is the Wooden beneficial loan benefit for tax year 2024, assuming the average method of calculation is used? Okay, fine. One is provided with a loan on which he paid interest of 1% per annum by his employer, and the loan was 100,000, which is taken out on 6 April 2023, and he repaid 40,000 on the August 2023. So basically, official difference in the interest rate is what? because the official rate of interest is 2.25%, right? And but your employer provided you interest sorry in a loan at the 1%, so it means difference is 1.25%, right? So on average basis, if we calculate, first of all we have to look at the loan at the start of the year. It was how much? It was 100,000, but as Uzin paid some loan, so in that case loan at end of the year will be how much? Uzin paid 60,000, 40,000, so 60,000 will be remaining. So total amount will be we will took the average of these two, divided by 2. I forgot to subtract it over here. Okay, so 80,000 average loan. Okay, and so interest on this loan amount will be this into 2.25 percentage. All right, and less paid interest paid on the first, it was 100,000 into 1%, and when it was repay back the loan. Okay, April, May, June, July, so August, the Ujin repaid. So for 4 months, 4 divided by 12. All right. Okay, so it's 9, it's 9. It's not working. Okay, and let me copy over this, paste. I will remove the bracket, copy and paste. Now after repaying the back loan of 40,000, the remaining was 60,000, and it was for the remaining period, and that was 8 months. So 400, right? Copy, paste, and remove this one. Okay. So total loan paid loan charge was 1,800, and out of that the Usain paid 333 for the one lot and 400 for the remaining. So access was 167. All right. Okay. So in this video we do up till 30. In next video we will continue to do further. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me finish this. It's up to 31, 32, and 33. Okay. Okay. Fine. No issue. We will finish this. Okay. Dong is employed as well as his annual salary is also paid a bonus in April each year. The amount of bonus is based upon his performance to end of the previous calendar year. Ticking the appropriate box, the treatment of each of the following bonus taxable in the tax year 23 and 24, not taxable in 23 and 24. Okay, so bonus, so Dong is an employee, not a director. So bonus received was 2,000 in the tax year 6 April 2023. Okay. So if he was director, so there are separate rule for the taxation. But if he is as he is employee, so we will tax on the receipt basis. So bonus was received in the tax year 23 and 24. So it will be taxable in 23 and 24. Okay. So bonus of the 3,300 received on the 3 April 2024 in the respect of the year uh, 31st December 2023. So again it is received in the same tax date 20 and 24. So we will tax on receipt basis in the tax date 20 and 24. Okay. Okay, so next, what is the max taxable benefit in respect of the camera for tax year 20 and 24? Max is employed by Star Ltd on 6 April 2022, and Star Limited provided Max with the camera for the personal use. Okay, so camera market value at that time was 2,000. On 6 April means in the next year, Star already give the camera to Max for the free. Camera had a market value of 1,400 on 6 April. So this was the case of the gift benefit, right? So in case of gift benefit, we took the higher of two things. The first is market value of the gift at the time it was given to employee. Okay, so it was 1,400. Okay, and then we will took out the market value on which it has been made available. So basically, Max received this camera on 6th April 2022, and when the market value was 2000. But from here, we have to deduct the whatever the user's benefit he claimed till date. User's benefit, it's for the 1 year into 20%. Okay, so okay, 16. So higher up to is 1600. So 1600 is taxable benefit in respect of camera. Okay. Okay, so which two of the following statements concerning the tax treatment of reimbursed expense are correct? On 6 June 2023, Albert, making marketing manager, was reimbursed 500 by his employer, Generous Ltd, in respect of subscription fee he had paid to the IC, the Chartered Institute of Marketing, and 200 in respect of train fares occurred in traveling to the meeting. So basically, we have to decide which of the two expenses will be reimbursed to expense. Okay. Okay, so the reimbursed first option is the reimbursed subscription fee must be added to taxable pay and LTD and taxed through the pay system. So basically, when any professional subscription paid by employer, it is allowable deduction, not a taxable. So A is not correct. Okay, okay. So reimbursed travel expense must be added to the taxable pay and taxed through the pay system. So basically, it's also allowable deduction because it's solely incurred for traveling for the meeting purpose, and that might be related to the employment. Okay. The reimbursement of subscription fee is exempt income, so no action is required for tax purpose. Yes. And reimbursement of travel expenses is exempt income, so no action required for tax purpose. So C and D is correct because obviously both of them are exempt. Yeah. I mean to say, no, it's not a taxable. But basically, if you look out those list of those exempt benefit, there is this thing mentioned as well. If the travel is wholly and exclusive for the business, and any subscription fee paid by employer regarding the professional body is exempt. Okay, so from next video we will do income tax basis and income from self-employed. So till that, stay tuned with my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so thank you.